Begin the session in about 2 minutes. Evening. On behalf of IEEE Ziauddin University Student Branch, I warmly welcome you all to another exciting session of Hack the Future 2026. Today's webinar is titled Personal Branding in the Attention Economy. In today's digital world, your personal brand often speaks before you do. Whether you are a student, researcher, or entrepreneur, building a strong and authentic presence can open countless opportunities. It is my pleasure to introduce our esteemed speaker, Ms. Husna Baksh, a marketing professional at myco.io with experience in digital marketing, brand strategy, and helping businesses build meaningful online identities. Her work focuses on creating impactful brands and understanding how authenticity and consistency can help individuals stand out in today's attention driven world. Ma'am, we're delighted to have you with us today, and you may start without any delay. Thank you for being here.
Thank you so much. Okay, first of all, am I supposed to open my camera or is this okay?
Yes, please turn on your camera. It would be great.
Okay, because of a very, casual time, you guys would be seeing me at my home or maybe in the sunflower field, you never know. Okay. So I have created a small presentation which I would like to open here. Just give me a moment if you guys can. And yeah, I'll just share the screen. Can you all share this? See the screen?
Yep.
Okay, cool, cool. Yeah, I'm sorry, I'm not very techie savvy, but yeah. So my name is Husna. Hi everyone, and I don't know, somehow I became this person who knows a thing or a few about personal branding. And I don't know if most of you know, but I started 2 years back doing my LinkedIn randomly. It was very random. I just used to do a lot of things at my office, which were, like not very ordinary or not very convenient, जो सब लोग नहीं कर रहे होते थे. And I used to do those things. And back then I did not used to have a public Instagram profile. I'm an Instagram freak. I used to have a personal profile, but I used to always think back then कि यार सारी चीज़ें मैं अपने Instagram पे तो नहीं डाल सकती. There has to be some platform जहाँ पर I'm able to upload what I'm doing at my work, what my office activities are like, because I literally used to do a lot of stuff back then जब हमारा startup होता था. And because if anybody of you has ever worked in a startup mein, there's only a few people, like 4 5 6 people. There's no JD, there's no staff, कुछ भी आपको एक set role नहीं मिला हुआ होता. So I used to be the HR. I used to do a lot of stuff like cleaning the windows sometimes. कभी fruit parties करवा ली for the colleagues and stuff. तो वो fruit parties वगैरह I used to do it on my own. Nobody asked me to initiate it. I used to do it on my own. And when I was doing it, I was like, why am I not posting it? And if it's not going somewhere, because like I said, I'm an Instagram freak. I like to post everything. My friends tell me that I breathe later, I post first, if that makes sense. So इस तरह से चल रहा होता था. तो that's where I came across LinkedIn. And LinkedIn now has become that place where I post everything. And now my colleagues, they make fun of me ke whenever I'm taking a picture, they're like, oh हाँ ये तो LinkedIn पे ही जानी है. It has to be there on LinkedIn. So this is something that's sort of my journey. Very unprofessional, but that's what my journey is, from Instagram to LinkedIn. So yeah, here, let me just, right, just I'm just gonna take a moment. Give me a moment, please. Sorry, guys, I might have to switch from my phone to my phone actually, because apparently, um, my laptop is about to die and I forgot my charger at work. Anyways, that being said, I'll keep going until it dies, and whoever is in charge of this meeting can wait for a minute so that I can join from my phone. Anyways, so yes, like I said, I am Husna. I have explained to you my LinkedIn, my Instagram journey, and how I started LinkedIn. A little more about me is that I'm the founder of FOMO Project. It's a personal branding agency which provides the personal branding services to CEOs, to founders, to big professionals, people who would want such services. Most of them are based in Qatar, UAE, most of the Middle East side. एंड इन पाकिस्तान आई स्टिल फील लाइक के पर्सनल ब्रांडिंग का बहुत ज़्यादा स्कोप नहीं है अभी तक, बिकॉज ऑफ वेरी ऑब्वियस रीजंस. पीपल स्टिल थिंक दैट लिंक्डइन इज जस्ट फॉर कॉर्पोरेट ही है. बहुत ज़्यादा आप पर्सनल अपनी चीज़ें नहीं डालें. आप डोंट पोस्ट लॉट ऑफ पिक्चर्स. लाइक इफ एनीबडी ऑफ you is following me on LinkedIn, they would know that a lot of comments there are usually like, oh, why are you posting this on LinkedIn? It does not belong here. It does not belong there, and stuff like that. But anyways, that being said, I am building my career through LinkedIn very proudly and very loudly, and that's what personal branding is. I am entitled to my opinion. If anybody of you, they don't agree with it, that be it. But in coming years, people who if you any of you remember back in COVID, back in that time, people used to think that TikTok is another space जहाँ पे लोग अपने videos upload कर रहे हैं, अपना content upload कर रहे हैं, and not doing anything in general. It's just a waste of time. But today, all the TikTokers who started back then, you guys can see them on red carpets, on making a lot of money. Similarly, the same thing happened with YouTube also. लोगों ने जब YouTube start किया था, तब इतना ज़्यादा नहीं उनको पता होता था कि YouTube हम क्या कर रहे हैं, where the future is and stuff like that. I think this is what LinkedIn is today. In coming years, 5 years later, you guys will be seeing कि LinkedIn is going to beat TikTok and YouTube, dare I say that. But yeah, let's hope for the best. Mhm. I was able to charge my laptop also. So good news, we're not going anywhere. So networking, it has a lot of myths. I'm going to go side by side, and anybody of you, if you want to open your mic, you can, and just ask me any questions if there is any. Myth number one myth being networking is asking strangers for job, and that is not networking. Networking is showing up, planting the seed before you're hungry, telling people that, see, this is something that I do. And that's what personal branding is. Personal branding हमेशा LinkedIn पे ही नहीं होती. Personal branding हमेशा Instagram या किसी social media platform पे ही नहीं होती, बल्कि personal branding is also telling people that this is something I'm best at, this is something that I can do. If you're ever looking for someone जिसके लिए आपको आपको मेरी expertise की ज़रूरत अगर हो, then I'm the one you'll remember in future. अभी ज़रूरत नहीं है, ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपको अभी ही अपना stamp करना हो कि hi, I'm a marketeer, I would want to do this for you. Maybe in future, if they're ever looking for a marketeer, they'll get back to you. And I would want to share one incident with you guys about networking. 2 3 years back, actually, no, actually 5 years back, I met this woman in an event. I was 19 or 19 back then, and I met this girl. She was my age. I got along with her. We shared an instance or two, and I was telling her that I'm a marketeer. I'm trying to make my way in marketing. I was in university back then, and she was like, "Oh, you're so young. Why do you want to struggle with your career and all that? Abhi, why are you not focusing on your studies?" Then I told her, studies, I would want to finish them side by side, but marketing is something that I want to do. I am always, I just told her a thing or two about me. And then 2 years later, she was the one who got me hired in Myco. She was the one who placed me in Myco. She was my HR basically. She still is at, our agency, at HR agency. But you see how the connections were built. 5 years back मैंने उसे कुछ बताया. 2 years later she found my number. She reached out to me telling me कि माई को एक नया startup है, they're looking for someone to lead their marketing, and she has suggested my name even though she did not even know me. So that is what a personal brand or networking will do to you. And it's definitely not about who you know, or merit पे ही हर चीज़ नहीं होती. A lot of people think कि merit है, connections हैं तो ही होगा. ऐसा नहीं है. Connections are something that you build. If anybody has heard that quote, कि network is your net worth. So that is very true. If you know people, people would know more people, they would know more people. That's how you build your network, right? Merit might get you noticed. अगर आपकी 3.9 GPA, that is great. On papers, it's amazing. It will get you noticed. But relationships, good relationships are it's something that will get you in your career जहाँ आपको पहुँचना है, right? And the other myth being I'll network when I actually need something, that is actually not true. You will never need anything if you think like that. People might need you. You will not need anything out of people. So network कहीं भी करें, हमेशा करें. Attend events, attend university events. A lot of people I know, they don't attend university events. कि boring है, कौन जाएगा, क्यों करेगा. A lot of people, even in my offices, they don't attend events. They just miss it. कि ठीक है, क्या है, networking क्यों करनी है हमें, क्यों नहीं करनी. But I think it's the biggest myth ever. If you do not meet people, if you do not greet them, you do not meet them, you do not introduce them, then how are you expecting for anybody to know you? How will you ever build your personal brand, right? So options आपको हमेशा मिलते रहेंगे, but networking का point सिर्फ अभी है, और अभी ही आपको करनी पड़ेगी networking. That being said, मुझे किसी की I can't see the Google Meet screen, so if anybody is raising their hand or anything, I would not know. आप लोग खुद ही, you can just unmute yourself and add anything that you want to add. So the mindset shift is very important also in personal branding. आप जब भी personal branding आप कर रहे हो, तो a lot of people are going to come at you. Okay, why are you posting this? Why are you posting that? Does it make sense? And some of you must be very shy कि यार हम अभी क्या post करें. अगर I'm assuming कि a lot of you are students here, so students would not know what to post. Where do I start first? Who do I reach out to? So on LinkedIn, on or anywhere else in the world, be it any social media platform, there are two things. First thing is your content. The other thing is how you're reaching out to people. So one thing is personal branding and the other is networking, and both are equally important. If you're building a personal brand but you're not creating a network, it will be of no use. But if you're building a network and not a personal brand, it will be of no use. So both have to go side by side. Personal branding without a network, without a stable network, is nothing. And networking without a stable personal brand is nothing, right? So you have to start first somewhere. कहीं ना कहीं be authentic. Try to share your opinion that are not fabricated. जो हर किसी के opinions हैं, do not share them. Like, do something out of the blue, like something that other people are maybe thinking of, but they're not posting about it. Right? जैसे एक example है कि अभी अगर आप लोगों ने देखा होगा, इंडिया में protest चल रहा है, right? पर वो प्रोटेस्ट किसी ने तो इनिशिएट किया होगा, किसी ने स्टार्ट किया होगा, एंड देन इट बिकेम अ होल थिंग, राइट? Similarly, LinkedIn पे जब पेट्रोल हाइक हुआ था, so somebody had to post about it, right? If everybody used to think, oh, you know, किसी कोई और बोले, then I'll reshare the post, I'll repost the post, but then it has nothing of your own. That is something of somebody else's, right? Just start posting your own views on things that people are talking about, people would want to hear about. Do that. Be authentic, right? You can smell a fake pitch from 10 kilometers away, like I've written here. So be yourself, include your hobbies. I remember vividly that I posted once about that I'm 25. Back then I was 25, और मुझे स्विमिंग नहीं आती अभी तक, मुझे स्विमिंग नहीं आती, एंड इट, I mean, it's a very stupid thing to post because a lot of people cannot relate to it. All my friends, they know swimming, right? But I'm the only one who did not know. But अगर मैं उस वक्त ये सोचती कि यार why am I making this post, people can't relate to it and stuff like that, then I would have never made that post. But that post, it gauged, I think, more than 100,000 impressions. People could relate to it. A lot of girls could relate to it. Ki, yeah, you know, we were in the middle of corporate and education. We never got to explore our own hobbies and stuff. So, you know, write your thing. Share a resource, make an intro, compliment people's work, comment. One thing I always tell people कि अगर आप comment नहीं करोगे, you need to show up, especially on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is a platform जहाँ पर you need to like other people's content. You need to show up in the content. You need to show them, hi, I'm here. Like, I mean, not just don't write that I'm hi, I'm here, but basically show it, right? Comment on it, like the content, message them, maybe congratulate them, and you know, stuff, ताकि they know that you are there. और आहिस्ता आहिस्ता करके you build your presence, right? You keep showing up, and then they start remembering you. Like a lot of my followers, like there's this one girl, Taiwan, where she also commented on your LinkedIn, the university's LinkedIn post that was shared yesterday. And she has been commenting and showing up on my post for more than 6 months, maybe before. But you know, I remember her. I've never met her. I just know her. I remember her. I remember her face. I know what she looks like. If I ever see her in public, I'll be able to, you know, track her. Ki, hi, I know who you are.
Hi Husna, this is Taima here.
Hi, Taiwa. Oh God, you're here?
Yeah, I basically I
Hi,
just
so
posted
sweet.
a story that do I know personal branding? Yes, of course I know, but why I'm here just for Husna.
Thank you so much. This means a lot. Thank you so much. I love you. Thank you so much.
You too.
But yeah, I did not know you're here. I did not check the list though, but you caught me by surprise. But anyways, thank you so much for the presence. Maybe you know, somebody else like that is also here. और मैं बहुत सारे ऐसे नाम ले सकती हूँ. Genuinely, I can name such people who are there, who show up in my content, and similarly, I show up in their content. I show up for them, right? So it's a give and take relationship on LinkedIn, at least. I don't know about other platforms, but for LinkedIn, it is like that. Then, of course, stay consistent, and you know, one message will never build a relationship. Showing up once will never build a relationship. You need to keep doing it consistently. You need to post consistently. You need to show up consistently. You need to check in. You need to be the person that you are. You need, you know, stop being the chat gpt AI or the bot. हर वक्त chat gpt से comment करना is not necessary, right? You can just write one line or one thing, but make sure it's your opinion, make sure it's authentic, right? And last, and this is something that I go by, that's why I kept it for last, it was the second point, but have audacity. I don't know what you will have if not audacity. I don't know where you'll go if you don't have audacity, because 90% of the things that I have, be it professional, be it personal, be it corporate, be it anything, I have them because of the audacity that I have. I would just ask. If I want something, I'll just ask for it. And if I think something, I'll post it. I'll write about it, and I will never delete my post unless, you know, people are coming and telling me, you know, it was ethically or morally wrong. Unless that, but I will have audacity, right? I will show up to the events alone. I will do whatever it is that a lot of people would think यार नहीं हमें ये नहीं करना, what will people think, हमारा perspective क्या built होगा. It's okay, perspective at the end of the day आपका ही built हो रहा है, right? People will know. अगर सब लोग straight line में जाते रहेंगे तो कोई भी, you know, it will be harder to remember people who are always in the straight line. Because जब तक कोई लेफ्ट या राइट नहीं होगा, we will not be able to spot from the back कि oh somebody has moved to the left or maybe somebody has moved to the right, because there has to be one decision, one post, one comment, one thing that you have to make that will identify you as the person that you are, if that makes sense. uh, the you know, I'm not a very PPT slide kind of person. I had to do it because I get very awkward, you know, in such positions, because I मुझे लगता है कि so this one time I was in IVS presenting myself and how personal branding works for me, at least. But I don't know how it works for other people, but I can definitely tell you how it has worked for me and the opportunities that I've gotten from personal branding and from LinkedIn itself. This one teacher, she told me that, you know, the more real that you are, students and Gen Zs, they'll be able to learn more from your real experiences rather than the PPTs, rather than the stuff that you're showcasing. But you know, one thing that I'd like to tell all of you here is कि मेरे salary से ज़्यादा मेरा earning LinkedIn के through है, right? I give my whole day and night to my job and everything to my job that I have, but I still earn more from my LinkedIn than I earn from any other place. Why? Because of course I have followers now, I get deals and other brand deals and stuff. But other than this, all my client deals, I get freelance gigs, paid jobs. I've never used Fiverr or anything like that, but all my gigs, they come from LinkedIn, and I don't even pitch anyone. They just come to me, you know, because I'm posting something, I'm liking somebody's comment, I'm engaging in the comments, stuff like that. So it just comes to me. And my 9-hour job, my 24/7 a day is not paying me off the way LinkedIn is. So it was never that I started doing it कि मुझे लोगों को pitch करना है, मुझे लोगों को sales करनी है, लोगों से अपनी services बेचनी है. It was never that. People come to me on my own. And if I ever show you guys my um, email, you guys will know that I maybe land around say 6-7 jobs a week, and from reputable good companies. People reach out to me on my emails, on my LinkedIn, sometimes on my Instagram as well, if I'm ever unreachable on my LinkedIn or other places. They do reach out to me on my Instagram saying that we would like to hire you, we would like to do this, can maybe koi gig hogi, maybe koi hiring opportunity hogi. I don't accept it because that's a different story, but I still get the opportunities, right? And all of this because I started posting my original thoughts on LinkedIn. I started doing I started basically creating my personal brand on LinkedIn, right? A networking guide for people who are very nervous and socially anxious. I used to be like this back when I was in university. So approach with energy, keep smiling. I am the one who does not smile ever. I think Essen is here from he works with me. He's my colleague. Essen is here. अगर एसन अपना माइक खोल के आपको टेस्टिफाई कर सकें तो he'll tell you that I do not smile ever among people that I know. But whenever I'm meeting other people, I always greet them with a smile. I make them feel welcomed. It's the energy. अगर आप लोगों ने वो वो आपका मीम, एक बहुत वायरल मीम है कि the eyes Chico they never lie. So the eyes, they have to keep popping. You need to, the body structure, the body language should be such कि लोगों को लगे कि they're feeling welcome. There should be a smile कि लोग आपसे बात करने का दिल चाहे लोगों का. ये सब चीज़ें वैसे हम लोग सब अपने इंस्टाग्राम वगैरह पे देखते रहते हैं. लॉट ऑफ मीम्स आर लाइक दैट, लेकिन मसला ये कि हम सब मीम्स की तरह उसको लेते हैं. वी नेवर think of it as something that we can use as an advice. Yeah. So listen like you mean it. Even if you don't want to listen, even if you feel like you're yawning, if you feel sleepy, a lot of stuff. अगर कोई आपसे बड़ा है, somebody more experienced than you, and if they're talking, make sure that you're listening and you're nodding and you're making them feel like you're very interested in their conversation. That is the only way you'll be able to build a network. Find the bridge. कोई ऐसी चीज़ होगी, anything, जैसे for example marketing is something that is हम दोनों मतलब like you guys and me, we would care about marketing, we would care about personal branding. So this is something very common between you guys and me, right? So find a hook. I say find a hook. And with the next step, tell them that you'd like to connect on LinkedIn, or ज़्यादा time मत लें. If you're meeting someone, just tell them that hi, I'll just add you on LinkedIn right now. Maybe take their number, take their email, take their business card, anything, so that they remember कि उन्होंने आपको कुछ दिया था अपना. Be it the, I feel like मैं राम कपूर की तरह अपने हाथ हिला रही हूँ, but yeah. Anyways, so conversation starters at a coffee chat, campus event, meeting a senior person at a networking event, online DM. So all this will basically help you build your personal brand. अगर आप लोगों को अभी भी if you know what, I'll just ask questions before I go forward, because I feel like I need to know what is the feedback that you guys have. uh yeah, so I would like to ask all of you कि अभी भी आप लोगों को are you guys able to understand कि what personal branding and networking together is? Okay, all of you, like all 30 people, I would prefer अगर सब मुझे thumbs up कर दें. Yes, okay, cool. So it is understandable, right? That personal branding and networking go hand in hand. Yeah, because without personal brand, there's no network. Without network, there's no personal brand. I'll just move forward then. You guys can see the screen, I hope. So conversation start karna is very important to make your personal brand, and when you start the conversation, make sure that you do not disappear on that same person. Add them on LinkedIn, add them on Instagram, send an email, send an invite, send a personalized message. You can start the coffee chat पे basically आप start कर सकते हैं. एक बहुत मैंने common से कोई questions लिख दिए हैं यहाँ पे. What's the most unexpected thing about your role that nobody tells you, right? These are also, all of these are the questions that you can also comment when people are posting about their life stories, people are speaking in the seminar. These are all the questions that you can ask in order to for them to specify you कि हाँ इस बंदे ने मुझसे ये question किया था, they asked me this, and they must think I'm important. And if you make other people feel that they are important, you will automatically become important for them. That's how it works, my chico. And about your LinkedIn, I feel like I'm here for LinkedIn basically. So it is not just your CV, it is not your resume. Don't treat LinkedIn like your resume, if that makes sense to you. It is your personal media channel, it is your billboard, right? It is where your personal brand is. So be it Instagram, be it LinkedIn, be it any of your social media, जहाँ पर भी आप अपना portfolio present कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, like I don't remember making my resume. It's been 3 years. I've not updated my resume. And if now somebody asks me for my resume, क्या अपना resume भेजना, I just send them my LinkedIn का link. Okay, see, this is my LinkedIn. It is fully updated. Everything that I've done in the past 3 years, वो मेरे LinkedIn पे मौजूद है. If you want to see it, you might just go on the skills का जो पूरा portion है, वहाँ पे आप जाके देख लें. आप मेरे responsibilities के portion में, job description में, my जो भी experiences वाले portion है, you can go and see it there. So I did not ever feel the need to rebuild my resume ever since I've started working on my LinkedIn, because I feel like this is my digital resume. I do not have to have a paper. एक पेपर मेरा पूरा career define नहीं कर सकता, right? My LinkedIn, on the other hand, can define my career, because I post there every day. Anything that's happening in my life, I post it there, and I make sure that I keep posting about it. I just don't post it once and then forget about it. I just keep posting about it. This one campaign that I did in February, I still post about it because it is my work. I have done it. I spend my time, my energy, my money, my a lot of stuff in that one campaign. And I would want to post about it because I'm proud of it. And that is what a personal brand is. Why are you shying away from posting your achievements? If you're proud of your achievements, then post about it. Be audible about it. Be very, don't be vague about it. Like, jitna post karna hai kare. And if people are making fun of you, it's their own problem. Don't let them do it, because at the end of the day, when you will have a personal brand with 70,000 followers and they will still be sitting at 700 followers, then only they'll be coming to you and asking you, okay, yaar, how did you do it? and where did you start, and then you will become that person giving the speech on their laptop at 8 p.m. right now, and not them, right? So don't just shy away from posting content that you have. And abhi, because you guys are students, and सबके पास ज़रूरी नहीं है कि jobs हो. तो लास्ट सेशन में मुझसे किसी ने पूछा था कि अभी हम स्टूडेंट हैं, हम क्या पोस्ट करें. तो देर माइट बी सम यूनिवर्सिटी प्रोजेक्ट्स दैट यू गाइज मस्ट बी डूइंग. कोई FYP होगा, कोई यूनिवर्सिटी प्रोजेक्ट होगा, कोई मैथ का प्रोजेक्ट, कोई इंग्लिश का प्रोजेक्ट, एनीथिंग. लाइक आई रिमेंबर बैक इन माई यूनिवर्सिटी हम लोगों ने एक टैबलो किया था, and I was my task was to be the writer, right? I was the writer of the whole play. I remember bragging about it whole day, whole night. I never posted it on LinkedIn, but this is something like, if I remember, अगर मुझे तब करना होता LinkedIn अपना शुरू, तो this is something that I would have posted back then. I would have posted anything that I'm doing, right? Be it my GPA, be it my graduation, be it anything. Like, there's no limit. You can post anything that you want, except for your personal life. Like, आज मैंने ये color की dress पहनी, get ready with me. Don't post that, I guess, but rest of it you can post. I don't mind seeing it. So, sorry, is someone speaking?
Yeah, yeah. This is Danish.
Yeah,
I want
go
to
ahead.
ask you a question that कभी हम लोग जैसे कि कोई भी अचीवमेंट होती है हम लिंक्डइन पे डालते हैं तो उसको मल्टीपल एक ही जैसे आपने प्रोजेक्ट किया उसको आपने डाल दिया लेकिन आप उसको मल्टीपल जो आप कह रहे हैं उसी के बारे में बार बार पोस्ट करना तो वो मतलब कैसे पॉसिबल होता है और रेलेवेंट क्योंकि लोग कहते हैं ऐसे पहले आप हम हमें भी ऐसी लगता है कि आपने एक दफा जब पोस्ट कर दिया तो वो फिर बात हो गई उसके बाद नेक्स्ट टॉपिक पे जाना चाहिए ऐसा है कि नहीं
Okay, right. So, you know what I do? I take multiple pictures of one thing. सही है, if that makes sense to you guys. I take multiple pictures from multiple angles so that I can keep reusing them. कंटेंट आपका है, कंटेंट आप कभी भी बना सकते हो, कोई लिमिटेशन नहीं है आपके कंटेंट पे, बिकॉज इट इज योर स्टोरी, यू आर टेलिंग इट टू द ऑडियंस योर वे. ठीक है, लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल आई टेल यू हाउ कि मैं एक पीस ऑफ कंटेंट कैसे मैं मल्टीपल टाइम्स में यूज कर सकती हूँ. फरवरी में मैंने एक कैंपेन करी, आई टुक सम इन्फ्लुएंसर्स टू श्रीलंका विद मी. ठीक है, ऑफ कोर्स वो एक दिन का ट्रिप नहीं था, इट वाज अ 5 day ट्रिप. एंड अब मैं अपनी पर्सनल चीज़ें नहीं डाल सकती थी, अपना गेट रेडी विद मी, व्हाट आई वोर, व्हाट आई डिड नॉट वेयर, ये सब मैं नहीं डाल सकती थी. सो व्हाट आई डिड वाज कि मैंने इन्फ्लुएंसर्स के साथ, अपने काम के साथ, अपनी चीज़ों के साथ, आई टुक मल्टीपल पिक्चर्स, लाइक माई होल गैलरी इज फिल्ड विद इट. सही है, एंड आई कीप रीयूजिंग दोज पिक्चर्स. देयर मस्ट बी सम इंसिडेंट दैट आई वुड वांट टू टेल अबाउट इट राइट नाउ. अभी मे बी कोई कुछ भी, जैसे कोई भी ऑन गोइंग ट्रेंड चल रहा है, कोई भी ऑन गोइंग टॉपिक चल रहा है, कोई अपनी स्टोरी बता सकती हूँ. कंटेंट मैं अपना खुद डिफाइन करती हूँ, और कंटेंट से कंटेंट निकालना का ये एक आर्ट है, राइट? ये एक आर्ट आपको आनी चाहिए. आपकी एक पिक्चर पे मैंने अपनी एक पिक्चर को 3 बार यूज करी है लिंक्डइन पे, बिकॉज विद एवरी पिक्चर द कैप्शन इज डिफरेंट. with every picture the story is different, right? But of course picture ज़्यादा चलता है LinkedIn पे, तो I keep reusing my picture so that people recognize me by my face, not just by my achievement but also by my face. So अब उससे ये फायदा होता है कि whenever I'm out in public, like yesterday I was at Legends Arena and somebody came to me, I was buying a corn ka packet, and somebody came to me and they were like, oh, are you Husna? I was like, yeah, I'm Husna. And they were like, oh, yeah, we recognized you from LinkedIn, right? So it is not because of my achievement. It is also because I let people recognize me by my face. I keep reusing my pictures on and off. I just don't post content with my thoughts on it. मैं बस एक status नहीं डाल देती. I use my pictures so that people can recognize me. अब उस पे आप हर कोई comment करता रहे कि oh, why are you posting this on LinkedIn? It is not relevant to LinkedIn. Okay, I think it sounds like a you problem. If you don't think it's not relevant for what you want to see, then you can always unfollow me. But that is my content. I would want to use it as long as I want to use it, because I took a picture. मेरा फोन का मेमोरी स्पेस वेस्ट हो रहा है. I went there, I spent my time and energy there. Why would I not post about it? I would post about it, because why not? एंड दैट बीइंग सेड कि एक कंटेंट उसको आप उसको सैड फेस दे दें, कभी हैप्पी दे दें, कभी कोई इंस्पिरेशन दे दें, कभी कोई थॉट प्रोसेस दे दें. कंटेंट कैन बी रीयूज्ड. कोई कहीं लिखा नहीं है कि आप कंटेंट सिर्फ एक ही बार यूज कर सकते हैं, राइट? इफ दैट आंसर्स योर क्वेश्चन.
Yeah, definitely, definitely. Thank you.
मे बी दानिश, आई डोंट नो अगर मैंने आपका क्वेश्चन सही से सुना था, बिकॉज you were not that audible, but what I could get from it, I hope I answered it. If not, then you can tell me.
Yeah, I get your answer. ये बिल्कुल ठीक कहा आपने कि आप अपने स्टोरी, अपने कंटेंट को अपनी तरह से ही बयान कर सकते हो,
Exactly,
मल्टीपल
right?
टाइम्स आप बयान।
Yes. So then back to the PPT. The generic LinkedIn request, don't send just the generic LinkedIn request. बस सबको ऐड मत करते जाइएगा, पता चला आप मेरी क्लास के बाद घर जाके बस पूरा आपने LinkedIn खोला और जो सामने आ रहा है आपने उसको रिक्वेस्ट भेजना शुरू कर दिया. Don't just do that. Start adding people to your network. Send them a message. कोई context दे दें कि why did you follow them. Start engaging with them on their comments, on their posts. और ऐसा नहीं है कि आप सिर्फ तभी कनेक्ट करेंगे जब आपको जॉब चाहिए, सही है. अब ऐसा भी नहीं करिएगा कि आप लोग सिर्फ तभी उन लोगों रेलिवेंट लोगों से कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं. देयर इज नो रेलिवेंट पीपल. यू कैन ऐड विद एनीबडी दैट यू वांट. अगर आपको अभी इंजीनियरिंग कर रहे हैं, अभी मेडिकल पढ़ रहे हैं, अभी कॉमिक्स अपना कॉमर्स पढ़ रहे हैं, जरूरी नहीं है कि आप अपने फ्यूचर में 10 साल बाद जाके भी वही कर रहे हो. आप कुछ भी कर सकते हैं. There's this girl who works with me. She works in cyber security, and she has been an amazing social media manager for the past 3 years for me. She never thought that she'd be doing social media, but now she is, and she is very good at it. Right? So don't think कि अगर हम engineering के हैं तो हम सिर्फ engineering वालों को add करेंगे because they are our relevant audience. No, they're not. Your audience is not what you decide. Your audience is someone who likes your content and what you are posting and what you are doing. That is your audience. You do not define your audience, right? So I think never following part up never following up wala part I've explained. Treating LinkedIn like your CV, I have said it. Post insights, share your wins, ask questions, be the person with opinions and audacity, and not just a walking resume. अगर सबको अपना resume hand over ना करें, just start showing up on your LinkedIn. People will automatically come to you. Opportunities will automatically come to you. And your story is your strategy. Like I said, okay, who you are, that's what matters. Your story matters. What you have done, your projects, your internships, side hustles, failures, anything that taught you anything in life, anything that you think can become the content. हर चीज इमोशनल होना जरूरी नहीं है, हर चीज हैप्पी होना जरूरी नहीं है, हर चीज अचीवमेंट होना जरूरी नहीं है. जो भी आपको लगता है आपने जिंदगी में किया है, just post about it. Right? Can be anything, any project that you have done, any internship that you have done, any graduation that you have attended, any graduation about your brothers and sisters, anything, koi story, koi content, koi relevancy, anything. You can just create it. You can just make it up. Like that's what I do most of the times too. I If I have one thing, I show it like this because it's my story. I'm giving you guys the content, and we can always run out of content, right? So jab tak you will only run out of content when you're not doing anything. You will never run out of content when you're doing a lot of things. सही है. तो it can be a side hustle, your projects, anything that taught you anything. Where you're going, what do you want, be clear. People can't help you if they do not know what you're building and where you're going towards. Like they need to know your path, right? If you're building something like अगर कोई लूप की मार्केटिंग देख रहा है तो लूप के CEOs and founders, they are in the content themselves. अगर उनके पास product था, Loop एक बहुत अच्छा, बहुत strong product है. They are offering a very good coffee in a very competitive prices. अगर वो चाहते तो Loop को ही अलग अलग तरीके से Loop का glass show करके उसको market कर सकते थे, but they did not do that, right? They're showing up in the content, and why do they need it? They already have very established food places. Why are they doing it? Because they need to associate themselves with the brand that they're building, right? That is called personal branding. Anything that you're building, you need to associate yourself with that personal thing that you're building. It can be anything. It can be a perfume, it can be a soap, it can be a project, it can be a social media platform that you're building for someone else. जैसे अगर आप लोगों ने किसी ने डुओलिंगो की मार्केटिंग देखी हो, सो वी माइट नॉट नो हु व्हाट डुओलिंगो इज, हु द फाउंडर इज, बट आई डेफिनेटली नो हु द सोशल मीडिया मैनेजर इज, because in 4 years of her journey she kept posting about her viral videos, her viral content, her viral comments. She posted her work that she was doing on her LinkedIn, And now I think she has more followers and more people on her LinkedIn than the CEO and the founder. So that's what a personal brand does to you. And lastly, you are not just a student, you're a professional in progress. If you're a student today, you will become a professional tomorrow. So start working for it today. Keep preparing yourself. And when the time comes, make sure you're ready. And that is the end of my PPT. Yes, guys, I'm tired of speaking. If any of you have any questions, I'll be happy to answer them. If not, then let me know too. Anybody who has any questions, they can just open their mic and just speak.
Yeah, can I talk?
Yeah, go ahead.
Assalamu alaikum, ma'am.
I think Anas, you can talk first, and Danish, I'll take your question after that.
Assalamu alaikum, ma'am.
Yes, Walaikum Assalam.
मैम माय क्वेश्चन इज कि मैंने ना 1 साल पहले सर ने मुझे कहा था कि आप अपनी लाइफ का जो भी इवेंट्स हैं डेली तो वो आप लिंक्डइन पर पोस्ट करें। तो मैंने हम जो इंजीनियरिंग के हैं प्रोजेक्ट्स बनाते हैं उनके पीछे बहुत ज़्यादा हमारी वो इवन के हम हिडन एंड ट्रायल्स होती हैं, लेकिन वो सबको छोड़ के जो लास्ट फाइनली प्रोग्रेस होती है वो सिर्फ हम पोस्ट करते हैं। तो मैं सोच रहा था कि जो हमारी प्रोग्रेस है उसे हम डे बाय डे या वीक बाय वीक हम शेयर करते हैं कि हमने इस प्रोजेक्ट में ये किया है, हमने ये कोर्स में ये सीखा है। और लिंक्डइन में मतलब कि जो कनेक्शंस हैं और उनको कैसे फिर बनाएं, वो अगर उनको फॉलो कर लें जो हमारे रेलेवेंट है तो और ज़्यादा इंफॉर्मेशन तो मिलेगी।
हाँ, तो फॉलो तो आप किसी को भी कर सकते हैं, कोई लिमिट थोड़ी है आपके पास। और पोस्टिंग आप वीकली करें, डे बाय डे करें, आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड द क्वेश्चन। अनस, अगर आप थोड़ा सा क्वेश्चन डिवाइड करके मुझे बताएं, व्हाट वाज योर क्वेश्चन?
मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि मतलब कि हमने एक जो प्रोजेक्ट बनाया है अपने, जैसे मैम कहा था कि आप अपने प्रोजेक्ट शेयर कर सकते हैं, लेकिन उस जो प्रोजेक्ट है हमने वो हमारे 2 मंथ्स या फिर 3 मंथ्स में बना है, तो वो हम 2-3 मंथ्स में अपलोड करें कि और जो हमारी उसमें हिडन एंड ट्रायल्स रही हैं, हमने उसमें बहुत कुछ सीखा है, जो बहुत कुछ गलत मिस्टेक्स की हैं, तो हमने अगर वो भी बताएं कि हमने ये मिस्टेक की है उसे वीक में कि इस वीक ये किया था, ऐसे ऐसे अपनी जर्नी शेयर करते रहें, तो वो ठीक है। सिर्फ अपना एक जो फाइनल प्रोजेक्ट है वही सिर्फ शेयर करना ज़रूरी है।
नहीं, फाइनल प्रोजेक्ट शेयर करना ज़रूरी है। देखिए, अगर आप फाइनल प्रोजेक्ट शेयर करेंगे तो लोगों को कैसे पता चलेगा कि आपने उस पे क्या वर्किंग करी, क्या नहीं करी? तो यू कैन ऑलवेज शेयर योर जर्नी, व्हाई नॉट? What's the problem with that? You can always post, "Hey, hi guys, working on my final project. Today I did this." Maybe you had a fight with someone working on the project, and you can tell people how you were able to sort that fight out. आपने किस तरह से वो प्रॉब्लम फेस करी, किस तरह से रिजॉल्व किया, you know. You can, like I said, you can build your own story. People would not know, people will not question your story because आपको पता है आपकी क्या स्टोरी है, आपको पता है आपकी क्या हिंड्रेंसेस है, राइट?
यस मैम, वो यही बात है कि आपने कहा कि अपने खुद ही से कॉन्टेक्ट निकालो और इंशाल्लाह इस पर वर्क करेंगे, अपनी पोस्ट का कॉन्टेक्ट निकाल लेंगे।
Absolutely, I'll be happy to see that, Anas, and I'm sure आप अपना content डालेंगे, and I'll be able to see your projects on my LinkedIn also.
थैंक
Danish, you want to go next?
या मेरा क्वेश्चन था उसना, जैसे वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल हूँ मैं, तो जैसे होता है आपने कोई भी पोस्ट किया सोशल मीडिया पे,
Danish, I'm really unable to hear you. Could you fix your mic or something?
am I audible now?
Yes, you're audible now.
मैं ये कहना चाह रहा था कि वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल जो है, मैंने काफी दफा सोशल मीडिया पे पोस्ट करते हैं, तो मैनेजमेंट कॉर्पोरेट लेवल पे मैनेजमेंट होती है, कोई ना कोई ऑफेंड हो जाता है या कहते हैं कि भाई ये कंपनी के मतलब सीक्रेट्स हैं कि आउट ना हो जाए, कहीं से हमारे कस्टमर कहीं आगे पीछे ना हो जाए, उनका डेटा भी होता है, काफी काम भी कर रहे होते हैं हम लोग। तो ऐसे कभी हुआ है कि कोई नाराज हो गया हो मैनेजमेंट में आपकी पोस्ट की वजह से?
मेरी पोस्ट की वजह से बहुत बार हुआ है ऐसा। मेरा लिंक्डइन जर्नी तो आप पूछे ही नहीं. आई फेस लॉट ऑफ बैकलैश. I had to delete a lot of posts also because there was this one post I posted कि मैं एक campaign पे काम कर रही थी. I was doing the creative for the campaign and I posted about it on LinkedIn even though it was a rejected post. मतलब मेरे बॉसेस ने वो रिजेक्ट कर दिया था आइडिया, बट मैंने बस पोस्ट कर दिया बिकॉज अगर मैं सिर्फ अच्छा अच्छा दिखाती रहूंगी तो सबको लगेगा मेरी जॉब बहुत अच्छी है. तो वो मैंने पोस्ट कर दिया था इन अ सेंस कि यार ये मेरा आइडिया था एंड आई थॉट इट वाज अ ग्रेट आइडिया बट इट गॉट रिजेक्टेड. So my boss, the next morning when I woke up, all my bosses, my founders, they were calling me कि why did you post it on your LinkedIn? हमारा दुबई में कोई investor who was Indian, he got offended by your post and they called me and all that. ये वो why did you post it? Then I had to delete it. You get it? So it's the part of the journey. People will
या
get offended. People will not like what you're posting. So
बट समटाइम्स आप ऐसे कैसे आप मतलब वो कैसे चेक कैसे करती हैं कि इज दिस ओके टू पोस्ट इट और इट इज नॉट ओके टू पोस्ट इट, मतलब जो भी आइडियाज
sorry.
हैं आपके। मैम जैसे जैसे आप मैं यही पूछना चाह रहा था कि आपके पास आइडियाज हैं, आपने पोस्ट के लिए कंटेंट बना लिया है, तो आप कैसे डिसाइड करती हैं कि ये करना चाहिए पोस्ट या नहीं करना चाहिए? मैं अपने लिए पूछ रहा हूँ, जैसे मेरे पास जॉब से रिलेटेड, जॉब अपने काम से रिलेटेड मेरे पास आइडियाज है कि मैं ये कंटेंट बना सकता हूँ,
Hmm.
लेकिन मुझे ये भी ख्याल रखना है कि कहीं
Hmm.
मैनेजमेंट में कॉर्पोरेट लेवल पे कोई वो ना हो जाए मेरे साथ, तो फिर मैं कैसे डिसाइड करूँगा?
देखिए कंटेंट की रेलेवेंसी होनी चाहिए. अगर आप कोई क्लाइंट का कोई सीक्रेट आउट कर रहे हैं, ठीक है, सम इन्फॉर्मेशन दैट इज वेरी टेक्निकल वेरी सेंसिटिव, अगर आप वो आउट कर रहे हैं तो ऑफ कोर्स द क्लाइंट एंड द कंपनी विल गेट ऑफेंडेड. बट यू नीड टू डिसाइड कि यार कौन सा कंटेंट जा सकता है एंड द कंटेंट शुड बी मोर अबाउट यू एंड लेस अबाउट other people, right? Less about your clients. Content should be about what you learn from that whole thing. Content should be कि यार I am working about with this client and this was something that I was working on and I learned this that. ये वाला content फिर भी relevant है somewhere जहाँ पे आप अपने आप किसी की identity reveal नहीं कर रहे हैं. तो you need to decide yourself कि कौन सा content डालना है कौन सा नहीं. If that answers your question.
या दैट्स जी, थैंक यू मोस्टा।
Okay, Shamil Ansari, you can go next.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Husna, can you hear me?
Makusam, I can.
Oh, yeah. Husna, I've sent my LinkedIn profile link in chat. Could you please see and advise me what's wrong with my portfolio and all that? And I have also problem like Danish. मतलब मसला ये है कि दानिश के साथ यही मसला है कि उसकी मैनेजमेंट जो है ना, उसकी कोड ऑफ कंडक्ट ये है कि मेरा वाला कि हर चीज़ में पोस्ट नहीं कर सकता कंपनी की, राइट?
Hmm.
तो मुझे एक पोर्टफोलियो, मैंने एक लिंक भेजा है चैट पे, काइंडली देखें उस पर, पोर्टफोलियो में जो भी कुछ रॉन्ग है तो मुझे बताएं काइंडली।
Okay, let me just see. अच्छा मेरे पास कोई लिंक आ नहीं रहा है. Okay, एक minute. I'm opening it right now. If you can give me a sec. Team supervisor at K Electric. Okay, I like the bio. It's very generic. You can maybe, change your, what is it, banner, your LinkedIn banner. I tell people कि, keep it less religious and less political. Do not ever bring your religious and your political views on your global platform, because LinkedIn is something जो कि globally जिसकी reach है. LinkedIn is not like Instagram कि अगर आपकी पाकिस्तान में आप बैठे हो तो आपको पाकिस्तानियों को ही आपका content दिखाएगा. LinkedIn की reach जो है वो आपके लिए UAE में भी है, Middle East में भी है, US में भी है, global है आपकी LinkedIn reach. So it's better, it's my advice for all of you to keep your religious and political views to yourself and not post it online. Okay. Cool about it's very small. I mean, if you can add a little more things in your services and your skills and your about, that would be great. And there's not a lot that I can see. Um, 6, you have good number of followers. You do post too. And your experience is there, your education is there. I think it's a good profile. You just need to be a little bit more consistent. आई फील लाइक मैं डॉक्टर, मैं डॉक्टर नहीं होते जैसे बता रहे होते हैं कि आपको ये करने की ज़रूरत है, वो करने की ज़रूरत है. बट नो, गुड प्रोफाइल. अगर आप थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा कंसिस्टेंट हो जाएं, लाइक आई सेड कि जस्ट डोंट रीपोस्ट अदर पीपल्स कंटेंट, पोस्ट योर ओन कंटेंट. अगर आप रीपोस्ट कर भी रहे हैं, कभी आपके पास कुछ नहीं है पोस्ट करने के लिए, और अगर आपको बहुत ज़ोर से रीपोस्ट करना है तो आप उसमें कुछ लिख दें. डोंट जस्ट रीपोस्ट कंटेंट. ओके. Okay, it's a good profile. Agar if you're a little bit more consistent with it, you'll go places, inshallah. Anybody else? Anything? Okay, so is that it? Yeah.
Ma'am, I have a question. वैसे तो बहुत लंबा question है, but if I could just summarize it, वो ये होगा कि for example, you told कि सबकी अपनी journey है and everybody can explain it on LinkedIn. But what if one person wears multiple hats and they're doing multiple things at the same time which do not potentially correlate with each other? So if we present it on LinkedIn and there are like different industry people out there जो कि आपकी LinkedIn का हिस्सा हैं, जो आपकी following और आपकी connections का हिस्सा हैं, so once you post it, you let them know about one sector जो आपने उसमें कोई आपका milestone reach हुआ है. The people जिनके लिए relevant नहीं है, wouldn't that be offsetting for them? Because then again, we need to respect the people who are part of our connection list as well, right? So I do not understand how I could manage that in my own profile. So maybe if you could answer that.
हाँ, तो देखो इस्मा, मैं अपने क्लाइंट्स को एडवाइस करती हूँ. द क्लाइंट्स दैट आई हैव, दे आर ऑन बिग पोजीशन, उनके मल्टीपल बिजनेसेस हैं, मल्टीपल लेवल पे वो काम कर रहे हैं. बट आई पर्सनली एडवाइस पीपल टू कीप वन डोमेन एट अ टाइम. आप बहुत सारी चीज़ों से जाने नहीं जा सकते. यू नीड टू मेक श्योर दैट पीपल नो यू फॉर वन थिंग दैट यू गुड एट. सही है. मे बी यस, यू कैन, ऑफ कोर्स हर बंदे की अपनी कैपेसिटी होती है. यू कैन डू मल्टीपल थिंग्स at one time, that is okay, but make sure that people know you for one thing that you're the best at, if that makes sense, right? अगर जैसे for example I can do Canva, I can do video editing, I can shoot content, I'm a content creator, I can be a creative designer, I can do a lot of things, right? I can also wear multiple hats. But if I start posting about all of it, then people will get confused कि यार इस बंदी के पास में जाना किस वजह से. That makes sense. So I showcase them कि आपको मार्केटिंग चाहिए तो मार्केटिंग के लिए मैं हूँ, मुझे सब आता है मार्केटिंग के लिए. अब मार्केटिंग में और बहुत सारी चीज़ें आ सकती हैं. मार्केटिंग में क्रिएटिव भी आ सकता है, वीडियो एडिटिंग भी आ सकती है, सोशल मीडिया भी आ सकता है, परफॉर्मेंस भी आ सकती है. सो आई एम जस्ट वेयरिंग दिस वन बिग हेट. सही है, बहुत बड़ा मैंने हेट पहन लिया है, उसके अंदर सब कुछ आ रहा है. If that answers your question.
Yes, that's बहुत अच्छी explanation. Thank you so much. It clears a lot.
Okay, cool. Okay, so should we end the session?
Yes, I believe सबके क्वेश्चंस हो गए हैं. Thank you once again, Miss Husna, and for such an insightful and inspiring session. Your guidance has shown us that personal branding is not about seeking attention, absolutely, definitely. And we understood a lot about creating value and building trust. We understood a lot about presenting our most authentic selves with confidence, and we truly appreciate you taking the time to share your experiences with us. I would also like to thank everyone who joined us today. We hope today's session inspires you to invest in your personal brand and to unlock all the new opportunities waiting. To stay updated on our upcoming events, please follow us on Instagram at ieee.zu and connect with us on LinkedIn, IEEE Ziauddin University Student Branch. Thank you, everyone. Have a wonderful evening and Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, everyone.